So today I'm going to show you how to do copy, print and scan using HP Deskjet all-in-one printer, and here I'm going to use the wireless method to do the printing and scanning. So first thing is download the HP Smart app from App Store in your smartphone, and once you download it, now go to the printer's control panel. Now you can switch on the printer and see if the Wi-Fi light is working. If not, then click on the wireless button and it will activate the Wi-Fi of the printer. Now go to the smartphone again and open the Wi-Fi network of your phone. Now connect it with the printer. So here is a direct A5 HP Deskjet 2600 series printer. Now it will ask a password here, which is a printer password. So enter 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and just click it connect. So once it is connected, open the HP Smart app again. So once we open the app, now we need to add the printer here. So click on the plus button on the top. Look the printer's name 2600 series. Click on that. So it's going to add the printer. Now we are ready for wireless printing and scanning. So let's start with the copy. Open the top scanner bed. Place a document facing downwards and click on the black or color copy button. Now I will show you how to do the print. So go to the app again and look for the print document section. Select any document you want to print. Click on print. Select the page range if you want and the number of copies. Once done, click this blue icon and it will send a command to the printer. So you can see it has started the printing, the wireless printing. Now I'll show you how to do wireless scanning. So go to the app again and look for the printer scan option and click on that. Now open the printer scanner bed. Place the page you want to scan facing downwards. Close the lid. Click on the scan button. So this will take some time to transfer the scan. So just wait for that. So it's an easiest way to use this printer for home or office use. You can wirelessly scan and print the documents. So it's a really good printer. So here you'll see the scan now. So that's the way it works. Thanks for watching.